Hey everyone, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
A unicorn.
a unicorn. See you on the other side.
Yay. A fly went on my nose.
It's very fly here today in Australia.
Yeah.
We're going to draw the top of the unicorn's horn. So this is going to be at the top of the page. It's going to be an upside down V, but it's going to have a little bit of a corner on the top of the V. So follow me, go up, round, and down. So like, it's kind of like if you were to open a paperclip up, and you did that with a bit of wire or something. Now from here, the unicorn's going to have these interesting shapes that go down the horn. Imagine if you had like the unicorn's horn and you put a couple of donuts on it, or maybe marshmallows. Marshmallows, yeah. Okay, so we're going to go on an angle here. So you want to draw a line on an angle, curve it around like that. Kind of like, you know, the potato or the scone that I keep talking about. Awesome work, Phoenix. Now, you see there it's not connected. We'll just bring it down. Okay, kind of looks like Santa Claus hat or witch's hat that you see on the side of the road when you see the guys doing the roadworks. Next step, underneath that we're going to do exactly the same here, but under here. Round and there. Now underneath this, we're going to do a curve around here. Now the reason why we're doing a curve here is because this unicorn is going to have like a fringe. It's going to have a rainbow fringe. If you're in the 1980s, they would have called them bangs or whatever they call them. Next step is to curve around here like so, like that. One there on the side. And then we want to bring a curve up into there, like that. Okay, so from here, we're going to do another part of the fringe, and we're going to start up here, curve in, and then come in like that. So they're kind of like leaves or arrows, I guess you could say. Now for this next one, we're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to go in and out like that. And again, you want to come up maybe a little bit down here on this fringe, bring it in, and then around like that. So they're kind of like shark's fins, I guess you could say, but they're upside down. And then this next one, we're going to start just here on this fringe and come in like that. Good work. And then the last one, we'll start here and we're going to go all the way up, drive into the horn like that. Next step, we're going to do the head. Make sure you don't make your head too big. You don't want to fill up the whole page because we're going to still have to draw a body, okay? You sort of want to come around about there so you've got enough room for the body. What we'll do, we'll start here on the fringe, and we'll circle it around, and we're not going to connect up to the other side of the fringe, we're just going to stop right there. That's all right. Why I stop there is because we're going to create a ear around here. So we're going to go loop around, like so, into there.
I think
you can do that, that's fine. Yep.
like that.
That works, that's your own version. And then from here, we're going to do like a little partial C, like that, to form off the rest of the ear. The unicorn's got an ear over here, and we need another ear on the other side, obviously. That's why it's going to sit underneath this fringe. So we're going to start here, bring it around, down, and in like that. And what we'll do a partial line in there to sort of replicate what this line is here over here. Oh, I like it, Phoenix. It's good. It kind of looks like it's got ice cream on the head. Now, we're going to do the unicorn's eyes. So these are going to be big eyes. So we're going to do one circle here on the right and another circle on the left. Yep.
Look at mine.
Ooh, very good.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do like another circle in the corner here. And another circle here. And what we'll do, like always, this is going to be the highlight. So you're going to leave these white, but you're going to color these in black. The big part's black. Now, the next step we want to do nostrils. Nostrils. So we want to do 2 dots sort of down here. So we're going to go one circle like that, color it in black on one side, and we'll do another circle on the other side, color in black as well. Now we're going to do a line around here, sort of a hill to form the nose. Give it a bit more definition. So we're going to go up a hill and go down a hill. And there we go. That's the unicorn's cute face. What do you think?
Good.
Good, you like it? What if we drew something like that on our face? No? Okay, so next step is we're going to do a line that comes down both sides. So on this side here on the left, we're going to go down a hill, curve down like that.
Slippery dip.
It's like a slippery dip, yep. Going down the slide, and then we're going to go down the other side on the slide as well. Cool. And there we go. And that kind of looks like it's, if you were to leave it like that, that would be a unicorn that's got 2 skinny legs. At the bottom here, we're going to do 2 circles like the hoofs or the feet of the unicorn, and we can call them donuts. I'll show you why in a minute. So we're going to go, well, circle, one there, and then on the other side we do the same thing, circle. Now, when it comes to colouring in, we're going to colour these in sort of maybe a grey or something and pink.
It's like
Yeah.
boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, look at that. Now, this is a unicorn head with 2 sticks and donuts at the end of it. Pretend there's an imaginary line going between the 2 nostrils, and we come to about here and we draw a line to about there. Yep. And then on the right side, I want you to curve up like that. Yep. And then we want to go up the way to there. That's one leg. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the left hand side. So again, do a slightly curved line over there. Yep. And then up to there. So that's the hoofs.
Looks like pants.
Looks like pants, doesn't it? So underneath the hoofs, well, these are the legs, sorry, not the hoofs. We're going to put the hoofs underneath. So I want you to do like a little bit of a, like that. And a line, kind of like a curved rectangle underneath them both. Very good, Phoenix. And now what we need to do now, we need to connect the feet to the body. So we're going to go from this donut into that leg on the curve. And we do the same thing from the leg to the donut.
So what's next that all horses need?
What do you think? Tail. A tail. But before we get to the tail, what we'll do, I really like that, Phoenix. That's looking good. He looks a bit sad though. Do you think he looks a bit sad?
No, just like...
All right, he's looking for his tail. So we're going to draw the tail around here. So what I want you guys to do is to start here, go around, curve up like that. So it's kind of like you went up a hill, you rode your bike, you went down a hill, got really fast and stopped. You're like, where am I going now? And then you went backwards into the foot, like that. From here, we're going to draw a line that curves around, in and around like that. One there, and then another one underneath. And we're going to colour those into the colours of the rainbow as well. Now, to finish this off, you see the movement of the fringe going this way. I'm assuming there's maybe some wind that's swept by and that's sweeping the tail and the fringe. And I'm thinking at the back, unicorns have got like hair, like horses have got hair and a mane at the back. So we're going to put some triangles on the side here to make the illusion of that. So we're going to start here sort of at the ear, go down, and then in like that. So that's one bit of hair. And we'll follow from underneath that into there. That's 2 bits of hair. And then underneath that, we'll go 3. It's kind of like the side of a Christmas tree when you really think about it, isn't it?
And Christmas is coming soon.
Christmas is coming soon, not far to Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Okay, there we go, guys. We've drawn the unicorn. We've done the outlines. What did you think, Phoenix?
Good.
That fun? Good job?
Yeah.
What's the next step?
Color in.
Color in. All right, guys, we'll see you on the other side. Bye.
Bye.
Color in.
Bye.
All right, Phoenix, there we go. We coloured in our unicorns. How cool are we? Awesome. Let's high five. So what did you do here? What did the colours you used?
Pink, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple.
Yeah, I like it. It's like the colours of the rainbows. We've got some multicolours going
Dark
on.
green here and more pink.
That's
and
right.
grey.
I like what you've done here on the bottoms of the feet. You've done pink on the around the edges and grey in the middle. That's really cool. Kind of cool with the unicorn is you can do little highlights of multicolours within the hair and the tail and the horn and stuff. Most unicorns are white, so you just leave this white. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So Phoenix, what can the people at home do?
Pause the video and subscribe.
That's right. You can pause the video at any time to catch up and follow along. And you also, it'd be really cool if you guys could subscribe to our channel and like our videos, because we've got some really cool videos coming down the pipeline, which I'm sure you're going to watch and you're going to love.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Okay, guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today we had fun making art. I hope you did too. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Flies everywhere, flies. So.
A fly went on my nose.
It's very fly here today. You know, Australia.
Yeah.